inintay kong dumating yung aking order kay Maring Jen na Clover Station necklace, front and back. So, ang delivery rider ko naman ay si JNT. Kaninang umaga ay si Flash. So, ano kayang freebies ko today? Kay Maring Jen. So, mahirap siyang buksan. Kailangan ginuguntin. So, another lucky coin red string. So, pagbibigyan ko niya yung aking kapatid at ang aking ina. And then, thank you letter. So, we'll open it. Ito siya. Yung aking Clover Station necklace. So, this was it. Ang cute! Ang ganda-ganda niya. Nabili ko lang siya ng 4,157 or 47. So, this was it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing.